Now likewise we have the ceiling function. Okay, so ceiling means, so in floor function we saw that it rounded it down to the nearest integer. Okay, and when we use ceil, then it will round it up to the nearest integer. And again in ceiling function also we can use the factor. So if we say ceiling h2, so it will become 86, as you can see, right? And if we specify some factor, for example we specify a factor of 10, so you can see that it becomes 90, because only 90 divided by 10 will give us a remainder of 0. Okay, so ceiling will round up the number. Okay, by default it will round up to the closest integer, and if we have specified some factor, then it will round it up to the closest integer such that that integer when divided by the factor leaves a remainder of 0, right? And let us try to see if it gives us some value if our factor is itself a decimal number. So you can see when we specify a factor of 10.5, then it has, the ceiling function has returned 94.5, because 94.5 divided by 10.5 will lead a remainder of 0, right? So in this way we can use the floor and ceil functions to round up or round down the numbers. Okay, and the advantage here is that we can specify some factors so that the floor function or ceil function rounds down or rounds up that number to the closest integer such that when divided by the factor it leaves a remainder of 0. So let's fill in this column. So h2. Okay, and now we can place our cursor here. As soon as this plus sign appears, we can double click, so it gets auto-filled, right? So these are floor and ceil functions. So we will see the round up and round down functions in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.